Hello friends, welcome to the Traders Union YouTube channel. I'm Mirjan Hipolito, and I'll be your personal guide to the world of Forex and cryptocurrencies, brought to you by the Traders Union team. My mission is to help you navigate the world of finance by providing up-to-date news, analytics, and tips for successful trading. Traders Union is more than just a platform for traders. It is an entire ecosystem designed to make trading accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned investors. We've built a thriving community of over 300,000 traders worldwide since 2010. We are passionate about empowering you with financial knowledge. On the Traders Union website, you will find educational materials, latest news, and analytical reviews. Our Telegram channels keep you updated on market trends, and professional traders are always ready to share signals and analyses for confident trading. On our YouTube channel, I break down complex financial topics into simple terms, helping you quickly understand how the market works. Our team of specialists creates high-quality content for people all around the globe. If you're a beginner, we will guide you through every step of your trading journey, from registration to choosing a broker and opening an account. Our demo competitions allow you to practice risk-free and even win real prizes. For experienced traders, we provide up-to-date forecasts, trading signals, and regularly updated rankings of brokers and cryptocurrency exchanges. This helps ensure that you are working with reliable partners and have the resources to always stay at the top of your game. We also help you save time and money by making the process of choosing a suitable broker simple and stress-free. The Traders Union broker ratings contain essential information to help you make informed decisions, eliminating countless hours of research and review reading. Traders Union is more than just a platform. It is your trusted partner in navigating the complexities of the financial markets. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed and enhance your trading journey.